Hello everyone, I am Gurumurthy, Maths teacher, the Optimus Public School, Bhavani. Today we are going to continue chapter 5, division. In this video, we are going to learn repeated subtraction. What is meant by repeated subtraction? Yes, repeated subtraction is a method that subtract the equal number of items or things from a group, also known as division. When the same number is subtracted repeatedly from another larger number until the remainder is 0 or smaller than the number being subtracted. Dear kids, equal group can also be shown as repeated subtraction. Dear kids, we know repeated addition is called multiplication. Same way, we know that division is repeated subtraction. Example 1. Here I have 6 green balls. I am going to remove 2 balls each time. How many times it's possible to remove? Yes, 3 times. 6 minus 2 equal to 4, first time. 4 minus 2 equal to 2, so second time. 2 minus 2 equal to 0, so third time. So, 3 times it's possible to remove. Send it. This method is called repeated subtraction. This I am going to represent in division method. In division, 3 groups of 2 each is 6. That means 3 times 2 equals 6. In division equation, 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Send it. Next, repeated subtraction, example 2. 20 divided by 5 equal to what? Here, 5 is subtracted repeatedly from 20 as shown. Step 1. What you need to do here is to subtract the divisor until the remainder is 0 or less than the divisor or divisor 5. Record a 1, 2, 3 each time you subtract. In our example, the divisor is 5, so you will subtract 5. Note that 1 so in first time. Next, repeat the second time. Note that 2, 3 so in. Keeps track that number of times you need to subtract 5. Since 0 is smaller than 5, then we can stop subtracting. Step 2. Count the number of times you subtracted the divisor or 5. Therefore, 5 is subtracted 4 times and the number that is left is 0. Therefore, 20 divided by 5 equal to 4. Remainder is 0. Step 1. 5 is subtracted repeatedly from 20 as shown in. Dear kids, I am going to represent in place value chart. 20 minus 5 equal to 15. 15 minus 5 equal to 10. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Step 2. Count the number of 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Here remainder is 0. Therefore, I am going to represent in division equation 20 divided by 5 equal to 4. Here 20 is dividend. Next, division symbol. Next, 5 is divisor. Next, equal symbol. 4 is quotient. Here remainder is 0. Example 3. 45 divided by 9 equal to what? Step 1. Yes, 9 is subtracted repeatedly from 45 as shown in. I am going to represent in place value chart. 45 minus 9 equal to 36. 36 minus 9 equal to 27. 27 minus 9 equal to 18. 18 minus 9 equal to 9. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Step 2. Here I am going to count how many times 9 is subtracted from the 45? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 times. Here remainder is 0. Next, I am going to represent in division equation 45 divided by 9 equal to 5. Here 45 is dividend, next division symbol, next divisor, next equal symbol, and 5 is quotient. One more example for you. 32 divided by 8 equal to what? Step 1. Here 8 is subtracted repeatedly from 32 as shown. Yes, I am going to represent in place value chart. 32 minus 8 equal to 24. 24 minus 8 equal to 16. 16 minus 8 equal to 8. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Step 2. Next I am going to count number of 8. That means how many times 8 is subtracted from 32? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 times. That means 4 is quotient. Next I am going to write in division equation 32 divided by 8 equal to 4. Here 32 is dividend, next division symbol, next 8 is divisor, next equal symbol, and 4 is quotient. Here remainder is 0. Dear kids, you also try yourself. Pause the video, complete your classwork note. Thank you. We will see you in the next video.